20 types of orchids to use as house plants. Orchids are a diverse plant family, Orchidaceae, that includes more than 700 genera and some 28,000 individual species. It is one of the largest of all plant families, and its members are identified by characteristic bilateral symmetry of the flowers with upward facing petals. Many species of orchids are epiphytic plants. They grow on the surface of other plants and absorb moisture and nutrients from the air. Lycastae orchids. The Lycastae orchids, like this Sandra Devan cultivar, is a deciduous orchid that naturally sheds its leaves during winter dormancy. This reveals spines on the tips of the pseudobulbs, which are sharp enough to draw blood from unsuspecting admirers. The medium-sized, long-lasting flowers are usually white, pink, red, or lavender. Native area: tropical Central and South America. Masdevallia orchids. The summer-blooming Masdevallia orchid has an atypical flower shape compared by other orchid genera. The flowers are triangular, and while some are blocky and compact, others are thin, elongated, and whiskery. The orchid is very particular about temperature and humidity conditions. Native area: mountainous regions of Mexico to southern Brazil. Miltonia orchids. It is easy to see how the pansy orchid got its nickname. The blossoms sport the same face-like features that give our favorite cold weather annual so much personality. However, unlike pansies, the Miltonia orchids continue blooming from late spring into summer. Native area: Brazil. Oncidium orchids. The low-care orchid includes the popular Shari baby, which emits a sweet cocoa fragrance. These orchids need consistent moisture and humidity. Failure to meet this requirement results in leaf deformities. Native area: Mexico, Central and South America, West Indies. Paphiopedilum orchids. Also known as the lady's slipper orchid, this is an easy houseplant for the beginning orchid enthusiast. Flowers range from cheerful yellow, pink or white shades to moody burgundies, browns and near black shades. Freckles, stripes and bristly hairs are common features on these unusual flowers. As a bonus, some plants have speckled foliage as well. Face orchids. The leaves are large and strappy, and the many flower spikes may produce purple, white or yellow flowers. The winter bloomer also goes by the common name nun's cap orchid. Native area: tropical Africa, Asia, Australia and Pacific Islands. Phragmipedium orchids. It is different from other orchids in that it thrives in wet conditions, even preferring wet feet. You can recognize these flowers by the little pouch flanked by few mancu mustache petals. Native area: southwest Mexico, tropical Central and South America. Psychopsis orchids. Psychopsis, butterfly orchids, are easy to grow and are fascinating flowers and showy burgundy and green speckled foliage. Grow these in moderate light for months of blooms. They have a good tolerance for a wide temperature range. Native area: Central and South America. Vanta orchids. The Vanta genus is known for their showy, fragrant, long-lasting flowers. You will often see them growing in special orchid baskets. Otherwise, you must use a very chunky growing medium for these plants. These orchids are picky about their environment and demand high light and humidity. Native area: East and Southeast Asia, New Guinea. Zygopetalum orchids. Happy Zygopetalum orchids produce fragrant blooms almost constantly from fall to spring, making gardeners feel like they are cheating winter. The flowers often sport handsome, waning and sporting of chartreuse, purple and maroon. Native area: South America. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.